Hello everyone, my name is Anusha and I am absolutely thrilled to talk to you about our new initiative, PAIC IELTS Learning, where we offer a comprehensive IELTS training program to help you achieve your desired scores. As someone who has been in IELTS training, invigilation and content creation industry for the past 14 years, I can assure you that taking an IELTS exam can be a challenging experience. However, with proper guidance and practice, you can easily overcome these challenges and achieve your desired scores. At PAIC IELTS Learning, we understand that every student is unique and has a different learning need. That's why we have designed our IELTS training program to be flexible, personalized and tailored to your specific requirements. Additionally, we offer a wide range of resources like mock tests, study material and online training sessions to ensure you have access to everything you need to prepare for the exam. So if you are looking for a comprehensive IELTS training program that can help you achieve your desired scores, look no further than PAIC IELTS Learning. We are committed to helping you succeed and achieve your goals. Thank you.